नमस्ते, वनकम, हेलो, वेलकम टू टिपोसी टेल्स। आज मेरा स्टोरी नंबर 4 शुरू हो रहा है। My guests have arrived in Assam and I am on my way to go pick them up. I've come to pick them up. 2 o'clock is their landing, so I am not sure I'll have to start calling them. I was busy since the morning. I could not go get flowers. Oh, I'll give her a tiny white flower. Right? She reached home. And I'm at the airport with this flower. Waiting for them. Yeah, now I'm waiting for the Rapido guy to take me home. They will welcome me. She's tripping on this simple plate of food.
It's perfect. It is perfect. Tell that?
Inside they'll tell. They won't tell it outside.
Oh, baby. I'm shy.
Why you shy?
I do. Okay, I don't like being caught off guard.
Just left and this is the video and this guy's a phone. Bye Charlie! See you on Sunday!
You better be there.
See you Charlie! Bye! Yeah! Kahi bhi de! I am again boarding the ferry to Majuli, which I said 1,000 times that I would never. Now I have different people with me. Komal is not here. This is story number 4.
So I went twice. I did not learn.
No, you can go now, but they have like you can go now.
I should try it out.
It's one of those things. It's like riding a bike. You learn it once,
Then you'll never forget. I know.
Yeah.
So no, I knew that basic things. Okay, it's only that when I take my head up the side, I told like this. He came. I held the paraboat. I told, "Now you go." And I was telling her, "Come, babe, it's okay. Come inside the water. Come." And then I'm noticing I'm going far away. The entire people are there.
I have reached Majuli again, the same Sanghar that I stayed for story 1 with Komal. And it's just for a night. I'm here, not too many days. I just thought that my friends from Bangalore should have a Sanghar experience. So yeah, I'm really excited. Now the season is different and hence the environments are different. They have set up a fireplace. The paddies have been harvested and it's different. I am still smiling for metekas. I don't know why meteka makes me happy. Happier when they are blooming, but yet they make me happy. So tomorrow we're supposed to leave for Arunachal. We don't know where to catch a bus from and we don't know the route. We'll see as we go. Every time a boyfriend travels with a girlfriend, the boyfriend is the professional photographer hired.
What if I jump from here?
Break a leg! इतना ऊपर से जंप किया ना, इतना ऊपर से जंप किया.
अभी तो मैं मूड में नहीं हूँ,
अच्छा.
लेकिन आ जाऊंगी.
Guys, please save and subscribe.
What the hell?
Hit on the notification.
Okay guys, I have never asked for that. Now these guys are doing it.
Hello guys. Hi guys. Welcome to Assam. This is so beautiful, yeah. Please like.
Is,
What is it like?
this one is a boyfriend?
Share and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe, guys.
ये तेरा boyfriend है? You don't know him, right?
Ego unte TV nahi.
এটোতো ইজি কথা কিন্তু মাছৰ নাম কোৱালিটি কি কি আমি
মানে ছালটো চুই গম পাই যায় কি কোনটো ভাল কোনটো বেয়া
সেইটো হয়
আৰু কেনে কিছুমান আকৌ মাংসৰ হেতু খাচী নে পাঠা নে কি আৰু দেখিলে গম পাই যায়
Hi. What are you doing? Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
ফুৰিব আহিলে আকৌ ইয়াৰ পৰা উৰাছ না
কি খবৰ?
ইয়াতে আছে
আৰু কি লাগিছে?
আপোনাৰ নামটো
Don't